students, hope you all are fine. Today our book is 7 New Countdown second edition, and today our exercise is 3, and we have completed its previous question. Today we have to start its question number 10, which is express the following decimals as fraction. We have to remove this decimal. Decimal means point. We have to remove this point from the question. So let's start it. So our exercise is 3. Exercise is 3. Question number is 10, which is express the following decimals as fractions. Its part number 1 is 0.25. Now we have to solve this. Express the following decimals as fraction. We have to remove this decimal. Decimal mean point. 0.25. Always remember that whenever we can remove a point, we can place a 1 in denominator. Okay, we have next 2 digits, so we can place here are 2 zeros. So 25 by 100. Now we have to divide it. 25 ones are 25 and 25 fours are 100. So 1 by 4 is answer. Now move towards its part number 2, which is 5.04. 5.04. As I can tell you in first question that we have to remove, whenever we have to remove point, we have placed 1 in denominator. Next there are 2 digits, we can place here a 2 0. So 504 by 100. Now we have to change this. 5 ones are 5, 0 comes as it is, and 4 also comes as it is, and 5 twos are 10 and 0. So 104 by 20. Or if we go with the smaller value, we can say that 504 by 100. 2 5s are 10, 0 comes as it is, 2 2s are 4, 1 goes on carry, it changes into 10, 2 5s are 10 and 2 2s are 4. 252 by 50. Now next is that they go in a table of 2 and also in a table of 5. 2 2s are 4, 1 carry, 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 1 carry, 2 6s are 12. 126 by 25 is our answer. It is easy for us to do it with a smaller table instead of using a big table. Now move towards its part number 3, which is 0.007. 0.007. As I can tell you, point removes, 1 comes in a denominator. Next there are 3 digits, 007, so we can place here a 30. 7 by 1000 is our answer. As 7 and 1000 doesn't come cut with each other, so they can place as it is. Now move towards its part number 4, which is 0.0095. So 0.0095, point remove, 1 comes, 1 2 3 4. There are 4 digits, so we can place 1 2 3 4, 4 zeros. 95 by 1000, 10,000 is over, we can say answer, but they can further cut. So 2 5s are 10, 0 0. No, they doesn't come in a table of 2, they come in a table of 5. 5 2s are 10, 0 0 0. 5 1s are 5, 6 7 8 9, 5 9s are 45. 19 by 2000 is our answer. Now move towards its part number 5. Which is, its part number 5 is 4.33 divided by 0.05. Okay, 4.33. Point removes, 1 come in denominator. Next there are 2 digits, so we can place a 2 0. A bigger line, 0.05. Point removes, so 1 come, next 2 digits, 2 zeros. 0 cut with 0, 100 cut with 100. 433 and 5 is our answer. Now move towards its part number 6, which is 0.0099 divided by 4.95. So part number is 5 is completed. Its part number 6 is 0.0099. It's divided with 4.95. Just as we can do in our previous question, 0.0099 point removes, 1 come in a denominator, 1 2 3 4 4 digits, so 4 zeros come. Now 4.95 point removes, 1 come, 1 2, so 2 zeros. This 100 cancels with this 100, but there is a difference. In the previous we have only 100, so 100 cancel with 100, but in this lecture we have different values. So let's start it. 100 cancel with hundreds, so here remains only 99 by 0 0 and 495 with only 1. As this 0 come here and 1 goes up, 99 multiplies with 1 and these two zeros, not multiplied, these two zeros come down, so 49500. So 99 by 49500 we have given. Now we have to start cutting of this. 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3, 1 carries, 3 6s are 18, 1 carry, 3 5s are 15, 2 zeros. So 33 by 16500. Now again 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15, 1 carry, because it is 16 it gives 1 carry, 3 5s are 15, 2 zeros, 1 1 and 5 500. Okay, 11 1s are 11, 11 5s are 55, so 1 by 500 is our answer. Now move towards its part number 7, which is 1.2144 divides with 0.012. 1.2144 point removes, 1 come, 1 2 3 4 digits, so 4 zeros. 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. Okay. 0.012 point removes, 1 come, 1 2 3 3 zeros. This is 1000, 1000 cancels with 1000, so 12144, this 0 goes down and 120. Okay, now we have to start cutting. We have do this cutting with the smaller table as well as with the bigger table. 2 6 are 12, 2 6 are 12, 2 7 are 14, 2 2s are 4, 6 7 2 and 16. Next is 2 3s are 6, 0 comes as it is, 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6, 1 carry, 2 6 are 12, 336 by 30. Okay, the next is that 3 10s are 30, 3 10s are 30, 3 carries, 30, 3 10s are 30, 12s are 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3. Yes, 3 12s are 36. So 1 0 1 2 by 10. This further cut. 2 5s are 10, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12. 56 by 5. Okay, so this is our answer. We have used two values here, so we have to place here a 0. This is a division rule. Okay, I hope you can remember this because this rule is used in class 5. Okay, till then, Allah Hafiz, take care of yourself. We can do over question number 11 in our next video. Allah Hafiz.